Have you ever noticed some people don't panic when things go wrong? They don't get overwhelmed. They don't wait for help. They just fix it, almost like they've been doing it their whole life. 1. They learn to solve problems. Early in life, some people didn't grow up with everything handled for them. They had to figure things out on their own. Over time, problem solving became automatic. Fixing things wasn't a choice, it was a necessity. 2. They feel responsible for stability. In many cases, they're used to being the reliable one, the person others depend on. So when something goes wrong, they feel an internal pressure to fix it, even when it's not their responsibility. 3. They find comfort in control. Problems create uncertainty, and uncertainty creates stress. Fixing things gives them back a sense of control. It turns chaos into something manageable. 4. They think in solutions, not emotions. While others react emotionally, they shift into problem-solving mode. Their brain focuses on what can be done instead of why did this happen? This makes them effective in stressful situations, but sometimes it also makes them overlook emotions, their own and others. 5. They struggle to sit with problems. For them, doing nothing feels uncomfortable. Unresolved issues stay active in their mind. So they rush to fix things quickly, even when the situation just needs time, not action. 6. They often tie their worth to being useful. Being helpful becomes part of their identity. They feel valued when they can solve problems. So they keep stepping in, again and again, because fixing things makes them feel needed. 7. They try to fix people too. This is where it gets complicated. They don't just fix situations, they try to fix emotions, behaviors, even relationships. But not everything is meant to be solved. And this can lead to frustration when people don't improve. If you relate to this, it's not just about being capable. It's about how your mind learned to handle the world. Subscribe for more real psychology like this. Because once you understand these patterns, you start seeing strengths and hidden costs at the same time.